Hi, I'm Dr. Urmi Shah, an ophthalmologist practicing in Mumbai. I practice out of Eye Solutions Keps Corner and head the eye department at All Doctors Clinic, Walkeshwar. Last week, my son, who is almost 7 years old, accidentally managed to spray some hand sanitizer into his eyes. He started screaming and couldn't open his eyes because they were burning so bad. Hand sanitizers contain alcohol and ammonia, both of which are very irritant to the eye. Luckily, I was able to give him the required first aid at home and also had some eye drops handy, which I started right away, and by next morning he was absolutely fine. But this incident got me thinking, right now, with everybody having sanitizer bottles lying around and kids home all day, this incident could have happened to anybody. And it's not only sanitizers, it's also the household cleaning solutions, drain cleaners, cement, plaster, all of which are sources of very harmful chemicals for the eye. If any of these chemicals were to accidentally enter the eye, it would cause a chemical burn on the cornea, resulting in eye pain, redness, burning, difficulty in looking at light, and if a large amount of chemical has entered, even potential blindness. A chemical injury to the eye is an absolute medical emergency. It has to be treated right away, right where the patient is. And the goal of treatment is to get as much of the chemical out as possible, as soon as possible. So how do you do this at home? Just splashing the eyes with water is not enough. Protocol says that the eyes have to be thoroughly cleaned for 20 minutes. In case of an older child or an adult, you can ask them to stand under a shower, turn on the shower, and have the water coming in and continuously flushing out the eye with them holding the eyes open. For younger kids or somebody who is not comfortable doing this, you can ask them to lie at the edge of the bed with the head overlying the edge, or keep the head in the sink or the bathtub. Fill water in a glass or a tumbler and keep a bucket below the head to collect the excess water. And then holding the eyes open, holding both the lids open, take the water from the glass and thoroughly start flushing out the eye. Ask the person to move the eye up, down, right and left so that all parts of the eyes can be cleaned. Ideally, the upper lid has to be turned inside out so that the undersurface can also be cleaned. However, if this is difficult to do at home, just ask them to frequently blink the eyes so that the water can circulate everywhere in the eye and remove even the tiniest chemical particles possible. Repeat this entire procedure till you have clocked 20 minutes, not a minute less. Of course, after this, you will still have to get them to see an eye doctor who will assess the damage. If necessary, repeat the wash and prescribe the appropriate medications and eye drops. However, by giving this first aid at home, you have reduced the amount of time that the chemical is exposed to the eye, and it can go a long way to prevent really tragic consequences. Thank you.